In this question, it's given that the price of an electronic watch launched in 2000 was decreasing year on year because of the lack of demand. Okay. Now the price of the watch decreased by X% in 2001 and then decreased by Y% in 2002. So understand in this way that you have in 2000 there was the price of the watch was say P. Okay. Now this price P decreased by X% in 2001 and then it decreased by Y% in 2002. So notice here there are two successive decrees. Now what did we learn in the video lesson when how to approach a question when there are two successive decrees? Okay, now there are two ways to go about it. I'm going to show both of them. One is to use a very methodical approach and write everything down. That is, if there's an X% decrease, then the value in 2001 would be P into 1 minus X by 100. Okay. If there's a Y% decrease, then we can write this as 1 minus X by 100 into 1 minus Y by 100. We do that. And then we find out the percentage change. So the percentage change is, now see, there is a decrease here. So if we write it like this, we can say final value minus initial value by initial value into 100. Now notice this P will get cancelled out, and if I multiply this, I'll get 1 minus Y by 100 minus X by 100 plus X into Y by 100 square. Okay, and this whole thing, and there's a minus 1 here, this whole thing multiply by 100. Now see, minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled out. If you multiply 100, you will get, these will get cancelled out and you'll get minus X minus Y plus X into Y by 100. So this is the percentage change that we are looking for if you want to go through the really methodical approach. However, I would not recommend it. See, we have already taught you that if there's a percentage change, there is a direct formula, especially for this is formula for successive percentage change. Okay, keep this in mind. This is for successive percentage change, that the formula is X plus Y plus X into Y by 100. Okay, and we told you that if there's a decrease, you need to put a negative sign. So minus X minus Y minus X into minus Y by 100. Note that in the end, the expression that you're getting is minus X minus Y plus X into Y by 100. And both these expressions are the same. Notice. So instead of doing all of this, if you remember the formula, then you can just do it in one step. So make sure that to understand this properly, and if you're still there's still any doubt, go through the video lessons once more, because now in this question you should be able to appreciate the importance of this formula. Okay, so we need to find out this. That's our conclusion. So let's move to step 2 and analyze statement 1. Statement 1 is that X% minus Y% is equal to 15%, right? Which is nothing but X by 100 minus Y by 100 is equal to 15 by 100, or that gives us X minus Y is equal to 15. Okay, but is this helpful? Can I use this to find out the value of minus X minus Y plus X into Y by 100? No, we cannot, right? That's why statement 1 is not sufficient to answer the question, and we can eliminate A and D. Now let's look at the second statement. The second statement is minus 20 plus X is equal to X into Y by 100 minus Y. Now notice this is almost in the form that we need here. We have X into Y by 100, we have minus Y. Now if we subtract X both sides, we'll get minus X plus X, minus 20 plus X minus X is equal to X into Y by 100 minus Y minus X. This will get cancelled out, which implies, notice you have minus X, you have minus Y, you have plus X into Y by 100 is equal to minus 20, which clearly shows that there's a decrease. Okay, and this is what we need. So we can say the answer in this case is equal to 20% decrease. Okay, so I hope now with the help of this question you understood how to use a successive change formula, and how writing this down can help you directly understand that you can get the answer using just one of these statements. So the correct answer in this case is option B. Those of you who did not do any of this pre-analysis may have thought directly, hey, there's an equation in x and y, there's another equation in x and y, let's combine both of them and mark the answer as C. So there's a typical C trap set in this question, and those of you who do not do any pre-analysis, especially in data sufficiency question, will end up making this mistake. So please keep in mind, do as much pre-analysis as possible before diving into the individual statements.